fascinating medical curiosities. Number 10. Baby Cyclops Museum Vrolijk, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Number 9. Jar of Moles Grant Museum of Zoology, London. Number 8. Giant Human Hairball National Museum of Health and Medicine, Maryland. Number 7. Gunshot Victims Head Sewerage Medical Museum. Number 6. Mullen-Mutter Museum, Philadelphia, USA. Number 5. Teratoma Afflicted Ovary Museum of Human Disease. Number 4. Anatomical Machines Museo Capella San Severo, Naples, Italy. Number 3. World's Longest Tapeworm Meguro Parasitological Museum, Tokyo, Japan. Number 2. Book of Human Flesh Surgeons Hall Pathology Museum. 1. The Horsemen of the Apocalypse Museum, Fragonard, Paris, France.